coffee, yo. Look at this cup. This cup. Greatest dad. I know everyone wants to claim this, but yeah, being a new dad is crazy. But today I have the day off. I have a few errands to run, and right now it's the morning time. I like to come out on the balcony and just feel the vibes. Right now it's a little bit cold because Canada, and I'm just chilling, having a cup of coffee on the balcony and using the iPhone 16 Pro as well, just to catch up on social medias, emails. It's one of the first things I like to do in the morning, just to make sure I respond to everything that I need to and get off on the right track. I have a few errands to run, shooting videos, and also tidy up this space a little bit. After making some coffee and grabbing some fresh air, I have to finish up some work stuff in my office. I use the iPhone 16 Pro to check emails and my to-do list for the day. I have to quickly run to the mall, but first, a word from today's sponsor, MagBak. If you're on the hunt for a solid case, I've got you covered. This is the MagBak Elite case from today's sponsor, MagBak. It's packed with the useful features and easily my most used accessory. First off, it has a built-in kickstand with a super secure hold. Perfect for watching videos, taking calls, or just propping it up whenever I need to. And when you're done, it tucks away seamlessly. On the back, there's a handy finger loop to keep your phone from slipping. I used to drop my phone all the time. I literally cracked my screen before. So this has been a game changer for me as well. Plus, it's fully MagSafe compatible, meaning you can still charge wirelessly and use other MagSafe accessories without the loop getting in the way. But the real standout feature, this case can stick to any metal surface thanks to the insanely strong magnets on the back. Whether you're creating content or just need a quick hands-free setup, it turns almost anything into a tripod. Plus, you can add some personal flair with MagBak's accent packs, which comes in a variety of colors. Today on mine, I'm rocking the blue, and I really like the way this looks. So if you're looking for a tough, versatile case that does it all, check out the MagBak Elite case today. Link in the description below. Today's gonna be a very productive day. I got a few errands to run, including getting my watch resized. So I'm gonna go head over to the mall right now and then come back and finish up some work that I gotta do. So I gotta be really quick, in and out kind of thing. Lotion. Let's go to the mall, head out, and then the day can properly start.
Parking level 2.
I get to the mall and head to the watch store and drop off my watch. While I'm waiting, I visit the lens crafters to get my glasses resized and check out their current glasses. When I get back, the watch store still isn't done my watch, so the sales rep Connor opts to show me my dream watch, the Omega Speedmaster Moonwatch. Now, look, I really want to buy this watch. I was like telling him I'm gonna buy this right now, but I'm also getting married in a few months, so I gotta watch the budget, but I'm coming back for this as soon as that day is done. All right, so I actually just left the mall, and honestly, I got a good experience at the Omega store. He actually showed me some watches that honestly I might buy by the end of the year. Gotta get my wedding out the way first. And then on top of that, I went to go get my glasses fixed because they are a little bit crooked. So now I gotta head back home and get some stuff done. Seriously, I gotta get some stuff out the way. But yo, peep the watch. It's a good size now. It's looking nice. When I get back, I notice how disorganized my place is, and I think it's time to clean up.
To walk around with broken promises. I'm always on some honest shit. I took my time to honor this. Oftentimes I crack a smile while hide behind my confidence. Them same lips you be kissing, yeah, this loving ain't anonymous. This is pure enjoyment. I'm sitting back and I'm pondering. Thank God for you will always take what you offering. Never too much, never giving me less on the days that you ain't. I get a bit hungry, so I grab food. Now I'm headed to get some grub, something to eat. I'm feeling Indian though. Yeah, there's a good place close by. So, all right, I ordered my food. It's not ready yet, so I'm chilling in the parking lot. And when I'm here, I'm taking a little bit of random videos with the pro camera. And I should say is that after 6 months, I genuinely use that camera control button, but I don't use it for changing or tweaking anything at all. I think it sucks for that. It's super finicky. It's just easier to go into the settings and do that. But as somebody that's like, a new dad, things happen all the time. I want to take a random pic. It's actually mad clutch for that, yo. Apple Intelligence is cool, but not really something that I use too much.
Today's food is some spicy butter chicken, garlic naan. I love Indian food mostly because it's rich in flavor and spice. Like this spice level is on a different level. This meal just in general hits different. I love it. Since I have a bit of time, I go to the gym and work out a bit. I use the iPhone 16 Pro to listen to music on Spotify and scroll through socials. I have a meeting soon and don't want to be too sweaty, so I do a quick walk on the treadmill. I have to finish up some extra work, so I spend the next few hours wrapping up some things and filming content. I use the iPhone 16 Pro to review my shot list and text a few friends. Alright, so the day is wrapped up. 22% battery life, so it's actually not that bad. It did hold up for the day. I didn't like do anything crazy with like camera work and all that, so I didn't expect it to die at the end of the day, but it is a little bit later and it lasted through the day, which I'm pretty good with. I was mostly inside using Wi-Fi and all that, so I have no big complaints. I think overall my thoughts on the iPhone 16 Pro is what I said in my original review. Apple didn't change much since then, and the biggest promise of it was Apple Intelligence, which we did not get like a full-fledged version of. We got it in parts, and those parts are just okay. I genuinely don't use it. If I'm being honest, like I don't even remember how to activate it. Like I never use it. I think the biggest thing that I use on this is the camera control button, which I use every day just to launch the camera. And that's nothing that's like innovative. Like I could do that at any time with any other phone. I didn't think that was like a crazy improvement either. So I don't know, final thoughts. This phone is cool, it lasts long. I wouldn't call it like a professional device because it doesn't give you those professional features. I don't know, I'm okay with the 60 hertz. And yeah, I don't know. So yeah, that's my thoughts on the iPhone 16 Pro 6 months later. Do you actually like the direction Apple's heading with their Pro lineup, or is more needed? While you're down there, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more.